Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded lately, but we are doing some more Hearthstone here guys, and I've managed to make a few decks, get quite a bit of stuff. I managed to unlock all the things. I've now got 3. That's gone excellent because it doesn't have 30 cards, but yeah. I now have Mage and Warrior. I've got everything unlocked. I've got no quests left to do today. So we're just gonna jump straight in and do 2 games. Hopefully we'll have something. That's pretty good.
Jaina versus Jaina.
Oh, I'm facing a fellow.
You asked for it. Oh, it is on.
Evil Hacker. This is the first time I've drawn Evil Hacker. I have got a lot more new cards, and honestly,
Hello. Hello.
This is what I got. I got this one, which is just overpowered. You can use your hero power any number of times. Like that's just overpowered.
Ready for action!
Basically, most of the minions are either taunts, like that. It's absolutely crazy. I've also got 2 of these, which is they're absolutely immense. I'll just do this. The only thing that's bad about these is it costs 10 mana, so if anyone's using it later on. Oh, this one's pretty good. I'm actually gonna show. Secrets basically activate when your opponent does something. Like now, this is when this secret activates 8 armor. Absolutely brilliant. You see, the mage mage is usually based around spells, so I've literally based this deck on defense. That has 4 health. What should I do?
I wonder.
Yes, I do. I think what I should do. Wait, okay. That's what I'm gonna do. I kind of think I've lost this. Let's just turn it around.
You smell like a leopard!
Evil heckler. Actually, I think he looks kind of cool. That person's cool.
My seal for Argon. Job's done.
Target dummy. I have. Yeah.
The gates are open.
Well played. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, wow.
Well played. Well played.
Right now, let's actually try to run.
Jaina versus Malfurion.
I must protect the wild.
You asked for
Pretty
it.
good hand so far. Yep, I'm keeping that hand. Actually, I should have got rid of that, shouldn't I? Because I can't really use that tool. Wait. I love the
Job's done.
the enemy like 4 turns to get rid of him. It's immense. It's absolutely immense. Basically, I also love this mirror entity. It is so useful. Like, say your enemy plays like, and I think it's like, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a really powerful one. It's got like a 1 attack, 5 defense. It's absolutely brilliant. You have that. Oh, 9 health, not 5. 5 defense, 5 health.
Do you
play
need
that
a
and it's like,
blessing?
you gonna end your turn?
My magic will tear you apart.
Can I play that one?
Handle it!
See, it's his third turn as well. Secret activates.
Hello.
I should say hello. I'm gonna say hello.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
I must cleanse the Sunwell. Well, guess what? I'm cleansing the Sunwell today. this card's clear as well. We'll play that.
Finally, a second chance.
Job's done.
Hopefully this person sticky music. I'm gonna give a shout out to him. Even though he doesn't know I'm doing YouTube, I'm gonna give a shout out to him. Hopefully he plays a taunt minion next.
I wonder.
Yeah, I wonder what you're gonna do too.
Handle it! Handle it!
Yeah. Use that. Except that one, of course. Use these.
Your turn to fall.
It's very hard.
Now he's put me down to 9 health, but the thing with the mage is literally, it doesn't matter what health you're on, you could just about pull back from anything. And I was watching my friend play, and he got put down to
For
10
Najatar.
and his friend, and he was facing this dude, and this dude was on full health, and then he just turned the whole thing around. And it was absolutely amazing what he did. And I just couldn't believe it. What? Oh.
Ready for action!
That's 2 damage.
Your turn to fall.
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do?
My magic will
threaten him, but I'll
tear
probably
you
lose.
apart.
The Frost Wolves stand ready.
Well, that's bad. Really?
Your turn to fall.
Well, I'm gonna put up a fight. I'm gonna say
Well played.
because he is far superior than me, but then again, I'm terrible at this game.
The Frost Wolves stand ready.
Boot, no. Do you think he's gonna be nice and like let me live? Before he kills me? Do you think he's gonna give me like 10? Nope.
Well played.
Oops. Well played. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. This has been Lone Wolf. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Wolf Pack. See you next time.